Hello everybody, so today we're looking at some suction cups, some vacuum suction cups. These are 8-inch vacuum suction cups. They come in a pack of 2, and each one will do, it says 450 pounds, which is pretty impressive. We're going to give this a whirl. We're going to test it out on this mirror here. It's only 15 pounds. Unfortunately, I don't have anything overly heavy that's going to work on that. But what you do is you take your nice clean surface. So I cleaned off that glass first. We put our suction cup on here, and then we're going to pump this until that red line disappears. All right, so our suction is on there, so we should be able to go ahead and pick it up. What I'm going to do is we're going to carry this out into a grassy area. I'm going to swing it around and to show you how well these things hold. All right, so we're out here kind of over the glass. See, moving it all around, rotate it, do all kinds of stuff with it, and it feels really secure. I mean, this thing doesn't feel like it's going to go anywhere. Everything I do, it is, I mean, that's impressive. That is a really strong hold. If I grab the edge and even try and pull it off, that doesn't work either. So really strong hold, and actually pretty impressive. All right, so now we're going to release the suction, and you basically press that. You see that piston pop back out. So it's just a button on the side that you just press in to release the suction. It has this little tab here, and this one I didn't have to pry it or anything. It just came right up. So you can't see, I don't know if you can see it or not, there's a little ring on there that we'll wipe off with some glass cleaner. All right, we're gonna give it a little bit more of a weight test here, at about 50 pounds. So, excuse me, I'm gonna put it on my gun safe here. All right, so that's on there. To show you the weight, I have a little scale here. It's basically a bucket of rocks. Hopefully you can see that. We're right at about 50. And I'm just going to use this little D-ring I have here, maybe, if I can get it on there. We'll just go around a different path here. All right, so I'll pick that up. All right, so you can see suction cup to that was 50 pounds. You saw that on the scale, and it's holding it really well. So that is the suction cup. There's 2 of them, so combined 450 pounds each, 900 pounds. That's pretty amazing. It's holding really well. Really impressed by them. So check them out if you need any suction cups. These are pretty sweet. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns on this product, please leave them in the comments below. Hit like, subscribe, and all that, and we will talk to you soon.